External liabilities are all those liabilities which are due to pay to the external parties or the persons, like the wages are due to pay to the workers, the salaries are paid to the employees, they are the outside parties. Any payment is due to the uh, creditor, that is also the external liability. Suppose your business purchase goods on credit from somewhere and the amount is due to pay on that purchases is known as the external liability of the business. Means any kind of debt or the owing that is due to pay to the outside or external party is known as external liability. Is it clear, Vita? I hope it is clear. Otherwise, I'll make it clear you more in the query session. Now, trade payables. Trade payables means it is the summation of bills payable and creditors. Now, what are bills payable? Bills payable means the amount that is due to pay. The amount of the bill that is due to pay. What is bill payable? The amount of bill due to pay. What is this kind of bill? Suppose your business borrow money from somebody, from any party or a person, and just give him or her in a written note that after a certain period with that much of interest, this amount is paid back by the business. That bill, that note, which just give the evidence of that payment that is due by the business to pay to concerned party or person is known as bills payable. I'm telling you once again, suppose your business just borrow the money from somebody or any of the business organization or any financial institute and give a written note to them that after a certain period the business is liable to pay so and so amount with such and such rate of interest, then that bill, that evidence document is known as the bills payable for your business. I am talking about your business, that what is bills payable for your business, because you are entrepreneur of your business. You have to bother about all those things which is related to your business. So bills payable of any of the business is known as the evidentiary document which just gives the evidence that amount is liable or due to pay to the other party or person. And if I talk about the creditor are also. Sorry for the interruption, as network is just disturbing again and again. Sorry for the interruption, beta. I hope it is clear to you. Otherwise, I'll just make it clear again in the query session. I'll just brief everything. What we were just discussing the trade payable, and trade payable are all those, that is a summation of your trade receivable, trade payable and creditors. So trade payable means bills payable and creditors. So bills payable are all those bills payable are those of evidentiary document which just gives us the evidence that business is liable to pay any amount with a specific rate of interest. And creditor are those parties and person to whom business has to pay back the money, or business is liable to pay the money. They are known as the creditor of the business. In case of creditor, no written note is to be provided, but in case of bills payable, a written note is to be provided to the party who has to receive the payment from the business. So when we combine these two things, both are the creditor in a way, whether it is the bills payable, whether it is the creditor, both are the creditor, both are the liabilities for a business, then it is known as trade payables. Whatever the payables by the trade are known as the trade payables. Contrary to it, vice versa, if I talk about trade receivables, trade receivables. Trade receivables are the payments due to receive. The payments that is due to receive by the business are known as trade payables. So we can say it is also the submission of debtors and bills receivable. Now, what are the bills receivable? It is absolutely opposite to bills payable. What we have discussed in bills payable? Bills payable is the amount that is due to pay to the other parties by the business. Contrary to that, the evidentiary document which just gives the evidence the amount is due to receive by the business. The evidence which gives us the document which gives us the evidence, the amount is due to receive by the business from any party or person is known as bills receivable. And debtors are those parties or person who has to pay the money or from whom the business has to receive the money. In a very simple way, the party or the person from whom the money is to receive are debtors. The parties or the person to whom money is to be paid are creditors. I'm repeating, please note it down in your notebooks. Write one side debtors,